Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection. I just got 4 steelbooks imports from Germany, and they're all Disney Pixar movies. Here we have WALL-E, Ratatouille, Up, and Monsters Inc. All of these are Region B, and all of these are steelbooks. So let's open these first. Here's Ratatouille, very glossy and colorful. The sticker is removable. And here's WALL-E, also glossy, very colorful. Let's start with WALL-E. WALL-E is a 2-disc, Region B, Blu-ray, Region B, Blu-ray. This is the special features, and this is the feature movie. Here's the code for your movie rewards in Germany. No artwork whatsoever. Very plain and boring. Here we have Ratatouille, glossy, colorful, in a brownish background. 1 disc only Blu-ray, Region B. And another code for your movie rewards. And now let me show you Monsters Inc. and Up. Let's start with Up. As usual, very glossy, colorful. This is a 2-disc, 2 Blu-rays, featured movie, and extras, Region B, and also another Blu-ray with special features, Region B. Another code for your movie rewards, and no artwork inside. And here's Monsters Inc. Very colorful and glossy. Also 2 discs. Feature movie, disc 1, and disc 2, Blu-ray. Disney Rewards code. And no artwork. None of these has an artwork inside. All of these are steelbooks, and none of these work in US, but a good thing is that Monsters Inc., although it says Region B, it does work here in US. I tried all of them in my Blu-ray players. These do not work, but Monsters Inc. does play here in US. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, hope you liked it. And click here if you want to see the reviews for Toy Story 1, 2, and 3 in Steelbook. Thanks again, and see you next time.